China has revealed a luxury off-road 4x4 car that is shaking the entire car industry because this car is not just built for a new concept, but it is built to overtake legendary and powerful cars such as the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, Ford Everest, and the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport SUV. This luxury off-road car we are talking about is the Great Wall Motors Tank 500, made by one of the 10 largest automakers, also known as GWM, from China, who are based solely in manufacturing pickup trucks and sport utility vehicles, with a total number of 1.23 million vehicles sold in 2023 alone. When Great Wall Motors revealed the Tank 500, they targeted international auto markets including Thailand, Australia, Indonesia, South Africa, United Arab Emirates, the Middle East, and other regions in Europe. Because the Great Wall Motors Tank 500 impressed those who test drove the luxury off-road vehicle, they were able to sell over 33,000 units of the Tank 500 in 2023 alone in China. Total global sales crossed 100,000 units in October of that year. The GWM Tank 500 is made available in 6 models, namely Business version, Sport version, Warrior version, and Customized version. The Tank 500 comes within a price range of $47,350 to $52,150, having varieties of plug-in hybrid and hybrid variants for customers to choose from, with power ranging from 345 horsepower to a whopping 865 horsepower for the top models. The GWM Tank 500 is a rugged SUV from the ground up. Its front fascia is characterized by a large chrome grille with horizontal slats, prominently featuring the GWM logo. LED headlamps with a sleek, angular design are integrated with LED daytime running lights for enhanced visibility. The rugged front bumper with integrated fog lights and skid plates emphasizes its off-road prowess. The rear design is equally impressive, featuring stylish LED taillights connected by a chrome strip for a modern appearance. A full-size spare wheel mounted on the tailgate underscores its rugged and adventurous nature, while the functional rear bumper with integrated parking sensors and a skid plate adds to its practicality. The Tank 500's muscular side profile is accentuated by flared wheel arches that house its large wheels. Alloy wheel options range from 18 to 20 inches, depending on the trim. Sturdy roof rails and chrome accents add a touch of luxury, making the Tank 500 a commanding presence on the road. In terms of dimensions, the Tank 500 measures 5,070 millimeters in length, 1,934 millimeters in width, and 1,905 millimeters in height, with a wheelbase of 2,850 millimeters. These dimensions provide ample interior space while ensuring a strong road presence. Step inside the Tank 500, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious and sophisticated interior. The Nappa leather seats are soft and supportive, providing a high level of comfort for all passengers. The multi-zone climate control system ensures that everyone stays comfortable, no matter the weather outside. Wood grain and metal accents on the dashboard and doors enhance the premium feel of the cabin. The Tank 500 offers 3 rows of seating with a capacity for 7 passengers. The second and third rows are spacious, making long journeys comfortable for all occupants. The 14.6-inch central touchscreen is the hub for navigation, media, and vehicle settings, while the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides essential driving information. A wireless charging pad for smartphones, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, and a 12-speaker Infinity sound system deliver immersive audio quality, ensuring that you stay connected and entertained on the go. Moving down the center of the dashboard are sets of physical buttons for various functions, double cup holders, and a massive gear selector. A refrigerated compartment in the center console keeps your drinks cool, adding a touch of convenience. One of the standout features of the Tank 500 is its ambient lighting. With 64 adjustable ambient lighting options, you can set the mood to match your preferences, creating a relaxing and enjoyable atmosphere inside the cabin. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, creating an open and airy feel. The ventilated and heated front seats with memory settings ensure that you stay comfortable, no matter the weather. Practical features include a large cargo space that can be expanded from 98 liters to 795 liters by folding the second and third rows, multiple USB ports, and power outlets for charging devices. These features make the Tank 500 a versatile and practical choice for families and adventurers alike. The Tank 500 SUV offers two impressive engine options. First, we have the 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, producing a robust 349 horsepower and 500 newton-meters of torque. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, it delivers smooth and efficient gear transitions, ensuring strong acceleration and excellent power delivery across all terrains. This engine configuration is perfect for those who crave power and performance. For those looking for a more eco-friendly option, the Tank 500 also offers a 2.0-liter turbocharged hybrid powertrain. This combines a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor, offering a combined output of 346 horsepower and a massive 648 newton-meters of torque. This hybrid system enhances fuel efficiency while maintaining robust performance, making it an excellent choice for environmentally conscious drivers. The V6 engine enables the SUV to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 7.3 seconds, demonstrating its sporty and dynamic nature. The 9-speed automatic transmission, a first of its kind in China, is designed for high torque handling and smooth operation. It ensures seamless transitions whether navigating urban streets or challenging off-road environments. Now, let's talk about what makes the Tank 500 a true off-road beast. The Tank 500 is equipped with a next-generation intelligent 4-wheel drive system. This system integrates the advantages of intelligent all-wheel drive and part-time 4-wheel drive, allowing the driver to switch between different driving modes. Specialized off-road modes cater to specific terrains, such as sand, mud, and snow, ensuring that the Tank 500 can handle any challenge you throw at it. With a ground clearance of 224 millimeters, the Tank 500 provides excellent ability to navigate uneven terrains. The approach angle of 36.3 degrees allows the SUV to climb steep inclines, while the departure angle of 37.2 degrees ensures smooth descents even in rough conditions. And with a wading depth of up to 900 millimeters, the Tank 500 is capable of crossing rivers and waterlogged roads with ease. Safety is a top priority for the Tank 500, and it comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems to keep you and your passengers safe. These include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. These systems work together to provide a safer driving experience, helping to prevent accidents and keep you aware of your surroundings. Parking, on the other hand, is made easier with a 360-degree camera system, which provides a bird's-eye view of the vehicle, and the automatic parking assist, which simplifies parallel and perpendicular parking. As of December 2024, the GWM Tank 500 is available in several regions, including China and select international markets. The Great Wall Motors Tank 500 has been on the market for only a few years, but it seems other luxury off-road cars won't be holding their titles for long if they fail to step up their game. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive overview of the GWM Tank 500. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and automotive content.